Hello, everyone. Welcome to our news talk about the latest Vietnamese entertainment stories today.
Hi, today we are discussing a famous director and his new movie project for the new year.
Director Tran Thon announced his new movie project, and people are very excited about it.
Yes, his movies usually make a lot of money because many fans love his stories.
However, there is a strong rumor online about a big change in his movie script.
That is interesting. Why did the director decide to change the movie script so fast?
Reports say he changed the story because of recent news about a famous female star.
So a change in real life caused a big change in the movie script.
Exactly. That is a clear example of cause and effect in the film industry.
At first, the director invited a very popular female artist to join his movie.
Then the actress became the center of a big relationship controversy on social media.
Because the online news was so huge, the director chose a new story direction.
Did the director officially confirm this script change to the public media yet?
No, he has not confirmed anything officially, so it is still a popular rumor.
Online fans are looking at many small clues to guess the identity of the actress.
Let us look at the clues together to understand why people talk so much.
Many people think the rumor is about Toc Tien, a famous singer in Vietnam.
Why do people connect Toc Tien to this news about the new movie script?
Because news about her marriage appeared at the same time as the movie announcement.
I see. The timeline of the news caused people to connect the two events.
There is another interesting clue from a famous song released a few months ago.
What is the name of that song, and who is the singer of it?
Rapper Binz released a song, and the title of the song is simply M.
The movie title is also EM, so fans think this is not a coincidence.
That is true. People love connecting music titles with movie titles in entertainment news.
Are there any photos or videos showing a real friendship between these artists?
Yes, an actor posted a video of them having food together at the director's house.
When fans saw that friendly video, they felt more confident about their guesses.
Social media moves very fast because people love sharing news about famous celebrities.
When a movie gets free attention from news, the producers feel very happy.
That is because high attention often leads to high ticket sales at the cinema.
So media attention is a major cause of financial success for big movies.
Let us explain how cause and effect works when discussing news in English.
We use words like because, so, and sentence structures that show simple reasons.
For example, because the singer is famous, many people read news about her.
And because people read the news, the movie title becomes famous very quickly.
That is a very simple and clear sentence structure for explaining cause and effect.
Can you give another example of cause and effect using the word so?
The director wanted a hot topic, so he changed the main movie storyline.
The fans wanted to know more, so they searched for clues online every day.
Using these words helps learners talk about daily news in a natural way.
Yes, it helps you explain why things in simple English sentences.
Now let us talk about how directors protect their movie secrets before release.
Directors keep actor names secret so that audiences stay curious about the film.
When people stay curious, they talk about the movie for many months continuously.
This curiosity causes people to buy tickets as soon as the movie opens.
So keeping secrets is another clever strategy used by smart movie creators.
What happens if a rumor turns out to be completely false in the end?
If a rumor is false, the movie still benefits from all the early attention.
Because people love drama, any attention helps the movie stay popular online.
That shows how powerful social media is for entertainment news in Vietnam.
Many young people read news on social media platforms every morning and evening.
Because news spreads so fast online, directors must react to changes very quickly.
If a director reacts fast, he can turn a personal story into art.
That is why people say entertainment news moves faster than other industries.
Do you think the female star will star in the movie next year?
We cannot know for sure until the official cast list is announced.
Until then, fans will continue to share rumors and check for new clues.
Discussing entertainment news is a fun way to practice your daily English.
You can practice talking about cause and effect with your friends easily.
Remember to use simple words when you describe why an event happened.
For example, say the movie is famous because the story is exciting.
Or say the fans are excited, so they buy tickets early today.
These simple sentences help you build strong confidence when speaking English together.
Let us summarize the main points of today's news story once again.
First, director Tran Thon announced a new movie titled for Tet.
Second, rumors say he changed the script due to an actress controversy.
Third, fans notice many clues connecting Tok Tien and Bins to this movie.
Fourth, social media excitement created big free advertising for the new film.
All these steps show how cause and effect works in entertainment media.
Learning English through real news stories makes language learning much more interesting.
You learn new words and understand modern culture at the same time.
We hope you enjoyed following this movie news story with us today.
Keep practicing your English sentences every day to improve your skills.
Try to explain cause and effect using because and so in your conversations.
Thank you for listening to our news discussion about Vietnamese movies today.
We will bring you more exciting news and English lessons next time.
Have a wonderful day and enjoy watching your favorite movies at home.
Goodbye, everyone. See you again in our next English News Talk.
Goodbye and happy English learning to all of our dedicated listeners.